Hey friends, if you encounter error 0x80071129, the tag present in the reparse point buffer is invalid on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now I checked the resolutions on the Microsoft Answers forum and 160 people found it helpful. So we'll stick to these solutions. Now the first solution is a check the scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. And the second solution is to reset OneDrive. And for this, we have a command which is percentage local app data percentage /Microsoft /OneDrive /OneDrive.exe space /reset. Okay, copy it. Press the Windows key and the R key together, paste it here and hit OK. Now should you do if you don't find this command, because there are a lot of these commands. So you can simply search for reset OneDrive and in the Google search bar, and you'll find all of these commands here. It isn't just one command, it depends on the situation. If the first one doesn't work, you can try the second one, but the second one assumes that C drive is a system drive, and so do I think of it. If it doesn't work, then try the third command, which is for program files x86, and this basically represents a 32-bit computer, and so on. So was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.